Big up yourself and subscribe to this channel. Watch, like, and share the videos. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified. Shortwood, one and leave. Shortwood, one and leave. Shortwood. Shortwood like your papa. No, daddy. I tell you say the taxi I go Shortwood. Oh, me think my girlfriend did tell you my business. Me nah go far. Me just a go round the road. Shortwood, one and leave. Ross, hold the middle seat.
But driver, the button start loaded, so how you say one and leave?
Yo Ross, stop move like an informer and hold your seat.
Lightning for Babylon.
Ross, nobody call down judgment. I card you, man. Shortwood, one and leave. Shortwood, nice lady. Nice lady. Hold your seat, quick and fast. Shortwood, one and leave. Smile upon yourself for the sexy lady. Make sure you're not gonna feel ready, you know.
Empress, you don't have to cover your phone from I, man. I no business if you want to meet the van 3 o'clock tomorrow at Crossroad KFC when your boyfriend gonna work.
Ross, you know say you want troublemaker.
Babes, me no want taxi I go Spanish Town for the funeral service. Me call you after the service. Love you. Bye.
Gary, sweetheart. Sorry. I'm on my way to Montego Bay for the job interview. I'll call you later. I miss you already.
Bobby, me glad you call. Me and me way to center and I go check auntie. Me I beg you some credit, please and thanks.
Driver, stop the taxi. Stop the taxi to Bongo Car. I want to know where this taxi really are go.